I am so honoured to be a part of this wonderful new talking microscope, and really the great thing is that we're educating kids as well as encouraging so much fun. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers with its long and curly tube mouth. Let's take a quiz about the butterfly! With everything that Educational Insights does, they're really inspiring kids to make a difference on planet Earth and to get out and have fun playing.
Hi, I'm Megan Balch. I'm a speech-language pathologist with 17 years experience working with children and adults. I specialize in reading disorders for evaluation and treatment of dyslexia and the use of assistive technology so that our children who are behind in reading can access grade level and age level appropriate text. The OrCam Read is a handheld AI digital assistive technology device for reading. It instantly reads any printed or digital text at the click of a button. The OrCam Read is specifically for children and adults who have reading disabilities and disorders, which reduces their comprehension and results in the poor visualization of text. The OrCam Read is not meant to be a substitute teacher for your child. The benefit is that it gives your child immediate access to grade level text. Listening to connected audio experiences allows the child to improve their comprehension, improve their vocabulary, and create a mental image of the content. OrCam Read does not require connectivity to the internet, and your kids can use it during a test. Thank you so much for watching. Please join us for the next video.
The Master Lock set-your-own combination lock boxes provide a secure key storage solution for your home, business, or rental property. Allow real estate professionals, family members, contractors, and customers to access keys when you are not available. The portable and mountable styles allow you to use the lock boxes on doors or permanent fixtures. The dial cover protects from weather, dirt, and grime, and the coating on the body and shackle prevents scratching. The 4-digit combination can be easily reset to a combination of your choice. The Master Lock set-your-own combination lock boxes store up to 5 keys for a variety of uses and applications. Master Lock, for everything worth protecting.
What time does the bus arrive?
巴士幾時到埗？
巴士15分鐘後到。
The bus will arrive in 15 minutes.
See? That was easy. Better than a phone app in so many ways. The only two-way translation device enabling authentic, accurate communication for 74 languages. Combines multiple translation engines from around the world, resulting in the most accurate experience. High-quality, noise-canceling microphones and speakers make it easy to have full conversations, even in noisy environments. Large touchscreen provides text translation for additional clarity.